Welcome to the MOCS 2 pairing guide. In this video, we'll walk you through pairing your wireless speaker mic and bike transmitter, and then show you how to connect your cell phone. Let's start with the speaker mic and bike transmitter. Attach the speaker mic to your portable radio. While holding down the push-to-talk button, power on the radio. The LED will flash red twice, then begin flashing green rapidly. Release the push-to-talk button, and the unit is now in pairing mode. Next, switch on the bike transmitter. Its LED will flash red once, then flicker red. BMW users should triple tap the push-to-talk button to enter pairing mode, while Harley users will triple tap at the toggle switch. When both LEDs slowly flash green, your devices are paired. Now let's connect your cell phone. Plug your headset into the speaker mic. On your phone, open Bluetooth settings. Look for POW mic in the device list and select it to begin pairing. Once connected, you can answer or hang up calls with a single press of the button on the front of the speaker mic. And that's it. Your MOCS 2 system is fully paired and ready to use.